Hey everyone, welcome back to Instinct RC. So you join me here as we start preparing for Nationals. Going to take you along with me as we sort of go through the process of tearing down my cars and rebuilding them and packing. And yeah, I'll leave you for now and I'll talk to you a bit later in the video. So I hope you enjoy.
Make a life for myself. 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 Make a life for myself.
Oh, all right. Well, it's Sunday night now, and I think I'm pretty much ready. I've got to do one or two other things in the cars before I go Tomorrow's Monday and I've got to go get a couple of things and then drop all my gear off to pack the van that we're taking. So there's still some more things to do, and I'll do some final checks, and like I said, I'll do another couple of things to the car before we leave. But pretty much tonight was about getting the cars fully done, like shocks and diffs and everything fully serviced, ready to put a setup on, which yeah, that they pretty much are, and to also fully pack, because I wasn't sure how I was going to get everything into the small bags. Like I'm used to being the person who brings pretty much everything, you know, and having it all like nice, neat and tidy and organized, and just shoving it in the back of my car, and you know, being that guy who has everything. So in case something breaks, like if some odd, unusual part breaks, you know, I have it. So it was difficult to, you know, go down to the bare essentials, and hopefully I've pretty much got there, but I can probably go a little bit lower.